More details are emerging about the massive drug seizure at the Kingston Freeport Terminal, with police now revealing that more than 2 tons of cocaine were intercepted over a 3-day period. 8 people are now in police custody as investigations continue. The operation, conducted between August 5 and 7, involved the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division, the Jamaica Customs Agency, and the Specialized Operations Branch. The police say more that these 3 days has a combined local street value of approximately 1.24 billion Jamaican dollars. However, based on the estimated value of the shipments, the intended and for the overseas markets, the haul is worth more than 21 billion Jamaican dollars. The JCF says investigations are now intensifying locally and internationally as authorities work to identify and dismantle the criminal syndicates behind the shipments.